everyone. Today I'm going to be filming a little vlog style video. We are going to do some grocery shopping and I thought it would be fun to take you guys along, do a little haul afterwards. And something that Joshua and I like to do is do our grocery shopping like on Sunday before the week even starts, just because we feel like we're really prepared for the week and have everything we need. I'm not the type of person that likes to go to the grocery store every single day or anything. I really don't enjoy grocery shopping, so when I go I want to make sure I get everything. And before I go, something I do is I like to clean out my fridge. Now it's just Joshua and I here at our house. We don't have kids or anything, so we don't keep a ton of groceries in our fridge, but as you can see we have like nothing right now. This is normally like where we keep our meat and stuff. We have no meat right now, nothing. This is just like some cooked meat that we still have, that's still good, but we are very sparse in the grocery department right now. So I wouldn't say Joshua and I are like crazy super healthy eaters or anything like that, but during the week we definitely do try to eat pretty healthy for the most part. So we're gonna bring you guys along. We're gonna go to Aldi. I think we might have to go to our other local grocery store too, because everything that I have on my list here, I don't think I can get it all at Aldi. Aldi is super great for like meat, cheese, some fruits, some vegetables, stuff like that, but they don't have everything that I need. So whenever you go to Aldi, it's good to bring your reusable grocery bags and to also bring a quarter, because for those that don't know, you have to use a quarter to get your cart at Aldi, and they don't have bags there, so you have to bring your own bags. So anyway, I'm gonna bring you guys along today. Hopefully we find some fun stuff to share with you, and let's just get right into it. We are here at our good old Aldi store. Joshua's got the quarters, or the quarter, and I've got the reusable bags. Honestly, I know this would be me getting off to a really bad start, but I really love the Savor It's crackers. They taste exactly like Cheez-Its. But they also have like cauliflower crackers and quinoa chips. Really good price, like $1.99. Saltine crackers are only 75 cents. That's so good. Still looking around. Found these grain-free cookie bites.
We gotta get out of here.
Chocolate chip, but they're gluten-free, paleo, vegan, and non-GMO. I mean, they're $2.99. Doesn't seem like there's that many in here.
Only 8 in here.
Yeah, maybe not. These cookie thins looked kind of interesting too, but I'm just gonna stay away from those for now. But oh boy, dark chocolate sea salt caramels. Oh my goodness. You know, they say dark chocolate's supposed to be pretty good for you. Alright, moving along. Let's find some healthy stuff. Oh, definitely need to grab bananas. Ooh, you know what else I really like? I really like these little things.
Mandarins?
Oh wait, no, I thought these were the little clementines. Aren't they? Mandy's? I don't know. So a bag of Pink Lady apples. These are normally pretty expensive, but you can get a bag of them here for $3.99. I don't think that's too bad for Pink Ladies. They're delicious apples, and these with a little bit of peanut butter. Oh, it's a delicious snack.
We have two of these trees in our backyard.
We do. We've never ate any of the apples from it because they never look right. Moving on to some other stuff. Every time I'm here, guys, I have to show you all the unhealthy things too. These always look so good. I never bought one, but they always look good. But they do have kombucha here. Joshua and I aren't big on kombucha. Raise your hand in the comments if you are. I do always get their guacamole. Yeah, I think I'll just get one. Just
Chunky
the
or Southwest.
I think I'll, ooh, Southwest.
Oh,
what
there's
would
one
that
in
be?
there. There's another one.
Maybe Southwest I'll try.
Hass avocado with roasted corn, black beans, and tomatoes. And
Oh, no, just get chunky.
Tomatoes, onion, lime, and cilantro.
Yeah, just get that. But guys, this guacamole is really, really good. And we've gotten like their salsa and stuff. But yeah, they have so many good options. They have like chicken salads and like all that right there. I think that always looks good. But their cheeses, they have so many options for cheese, and it's so much more affordable than the regular grocery store. We always get one of these panino trays because we like to just eat these as like snacks. All this stuff, there's a lot of good deals. I grabbed a bag of avocados because I feel like they're just a better price here. They're $3.49 for like the mini ones, but I like the mini ones because you can eat like a whole avocado instead of having to like put the other half in the fridge. That's why I always like those. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got in this aisle. Oh, and some little grape tomatoes. Oh, I should probably get a regular tomato too. Joshua and I got one of these pizzas last time we were here. Pepperoni. Oh my goodness, it was so good. They're huge too. It was only $5.49. But yeah, it was really, really delicious. They have cheese bread too. But I guess we're not gonna get that this time. But, ooh, I wonder if that salmon's good. But yeah, we're gonna load up on some meat and stuff for dinners now. They have really great options for meat. Actually, the chicken that I normally get, I don't see it. I normally get the thin sliced chicken breasts, but we thought these were kind of cool because it's already like marinated and seasoned chicken. So they have like cilantro lime, tomato basil. I thought that was kind of cool. We might grab one of those. Alright guys, we are back from doing a bunch of grocery shopping. We went to Aldi. We also went to just like our local grocery store, which is Meijer here. We don't have anything like super cool like Whole Foods or anything like that near us, so that's what we ended up doing. But I thought I would share with you guys everything that we ended up getting. We got a lot of stuff. I'm not going to show, we got like toilet paper and paper towels, so I'm not going to get into all that stuff, but I'll show you guys all of the food that we ended up getting because it's all sitting out on the counter and we got to get a lot of this into the fridge. So first, Joshua grabbed this. This is the coffee that we drink like every single day, and they had a humongous one, so I don't even know where we're going to store that, but Joshua was like, we might as well get that because it was a better deal.
Listen, I can't be here because all the groceries on the counter gives me anxiety because I want to put them away. So I'm gonna leave. Yeah, he was like, what? You're just gonna have them all on the counter? But I'm gonna try to get through this pretty quick. We got some eggs. These are the ones that we like. They didn't have them at Aldi, but we got the organic, cage-free, extra large eggs. This is from our grocery store too, just some frozen strawberries. Joshua got an assortment of M&Ms. We got butter, some vinyl gloves, tortillas. Got a little Caesar kit from Meijer. I also got these from Meijer too. These are little, like, they're little like burger buns. You guys can probably see the little picture right here. But I got some turkey burgers from Aldi. I used to eat turkey burgers like every single day, and I always got these thin ones, toasted them, and then just put like lettuce, tomato on it, and this was like my favorite thing ever. And I just got away from it because Josh was not a huge fan of the turkey burgers, but you know, we'll just figure it out. We'll each, you know, have our own thing, because he got some other burger patties from Meijer, so he might just have those. And then Meijer got some thin sliced chicken breasts. That was pretty much it from there. I'm actually gonna put all of our meat in the fridge real quick. Sorry, the lighting is kind of bad right now because it's like already getting dark. Okay, so anyway, from Aldi, I got a bag of pink lady apples. Pink lady apples are my favorite. We got a ton of bananas because I usually have like one a day. Joshua will eat like 2 bananas a day, so we got a bunch of those. Oh, just dryer sheets from Meijer. I got a bag of avocados from Aldi. I think all of this stuff in front of me is all from Aldi. Little grape tomatoes, we love those for like little dinners and stuff. Some raspberries because I love those to snack on. These tortilla chips from Aldi are so good. They literally taste like you're at a restaurant. We love those tortilla chips. And then I just got like some kettle chips too because they just looked good. We got some little baby carrots, frozen blueberries for smoothies. I normally have a smoothie like every single day. And then we loaded up on cheese at Aldi too because they just have really good deals on like cheese and meat. We got mozzarella, we got mild cheddar. We got like 2 mild cheddars because I use cheese like for all sorts of things. We got these little cheese cubes too. We don't normally get those, but we just thought those would be good for snacks. And then we got a Mexican style cheese and a string cheese, so we won't have to buy cheese for a while. Oh, and cheese crackers. These are so good. They taste just like Cheez-Its.
And then these are Vagenio turkey burgers that I got from Aldi. And I love those. I just think they are delicious. And then we ended up getting the cilantro lime seasoned chicken from Aldi. We thought that just like sounded good. And then I think we're gonna have this tonight. This is Atlantic salmon. And I'm a little nervous about that, but we're gonna try it. And then we actually got a little thing of grass-fed ground beef, organic, from Aldi, which is nice that they have that option there. Let me make sure it's focused. And it's a way better deal than it is at Meijer. They also have really good guacamole at Aldi, so I grabbed one of those. And then we got some nuts to snack on. I don't like cottage cheese, but Joshua does, so we got a thing of cottage cheese. And this is the milk that Joshua drinks, is lactose-free milk. So that is everything that we ended up getting from the grocery stores. Oh, I almost forgot that. From Meijer, I got some green beans, pico de gallo,
Splenda,
and another avocado and a tomato. So this week we're probably gonna make like burgers. I'm making the salmon tonight. We'll probably do like some tacos, or we'll do like kind of like a Chipotle bowl. So yeah, now we just have to get all this stuff put away. So now that we have everything in the fridge, it definitely doesn't look as clean, but I didn't do like a big organizational thing or anything like that, but it's all in there. This is definitely like a smaller fridge when we redid our kitchen, but we still have like a big fridge in our garage if we have a bunch of overflow or anything like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was just like kind of random, but I just thought it was fun and I love watching these types of videos. So leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought. I have a lot of really fun videos coming up, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. But click the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought in the comment section down below, and I will see you really soon in my next video.